Allahu Akbar. What is this? Once again, the weather is cool. This is so powerful miracle, by the way. No one could reduce the heat of the Lahore for the 10 days. And when legend started to work for the monsoon technology, the monsoon activity, that is what you call monsoon. I don't call it monsoon, but I am using the term for you so that you can understand it better. So this is, if you call this monsoon, this is activated in Lahore. But it was not working yesterday because it was stopped by me, by the command of Allah, when He helped me. Yes. But I would say, brother, to let you, to teach you, it was stopped by Allah yesterday when I was doing my efforts. That makes sense. So that your focus will be on Allah. Because I want you to connect to Allah, not me. At least don't follow me. Follow last Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So by the way, this is the miracle. This is the signs that the weather which was very extremely heaty. Now it is cool, and looking like a cold weather with raining and pleasing weather. People would be enjoying on the Sunday. How's your Europe, man? Are your false gods unable to reduce the heat in the Europe? Do you want my assistance? Allahu Akbar. Yes, if I will do my efforts, then I will request Allah. He can reduce the heat. But I will take the fees because that is my service, professional service, legendary service. I am a legendary freelancer. I am not an ordinary freelancer. What do you think of me? I am the legendary freelancer powered by Allah. This is the practical result of my efforts. This is monsoon technology. Where is the sun, by the way? Huh? Oh, the sun has been hidden again. What the hell is going on? I am thinking something now. Sun has been run away once again. He is hidden from my eyes. Where are you? Why this day is not like so many days before? Because that was not when the legend started the work on the monsoon. It's a monsoon, finally. The people of the land experiencing the heat. No heat. You want me to bring the heat? Allahu Akbar, Astaghfirullah. You enjoy the heat in the Europe, America, Canada, Japan, across Pakistan. At least people are enjoying good weather in so many cities. I'm hearing the gurge of the thunder. Dha. Allahu Akbar. Okay, fine. Enough for now. Or enough. This is a practical result. No one can say it did not happen. Allahu Akbar. By the way, why again I am talking and I am feeling the reduction in the raining. I was not able to come in front of the sky because of the raining was happening when I came. And now it is again reduced. Yeah, I'm talking in front of the sky. So you understand the water is coming from the sky. It is not too much. So I can easily record it. How the sky is working in my favor. Hey, why are you reducing your water upon me? The sky is working for me. The clouds are supporting me. Hey, legend, record. It's okay. We are working. It's okay. They care about me. I mean, what a legendary protocol I have from the weather system. Weather system is giving me a protocol. How is it possible? Do they have any common sense? Do the clouds think with their brain? And is the sky is looking at me? Oh, legend, how are you? By the way, I'm seeing something. Hold on. Is it? Hold on. No. That is something else. I thought is it dried out position. No, I don't need to lie on this. That's a painting type of color type thing. Anyway, oh my God, 4:25 minutes. Okay, its time is 10:50 a.m. time. I'm finding the sun. Let me find the sun and you enjoy your heat and let the people of this city enjoy some good pleasing weather after a long time of heat. Allahu Akbar. This is a real physical world reality, not a claim. Practical result. Allahu Akbar.